Good morning. It's what, 9 o'clock ish. It rained. I actually thought it was gonna stop. You know, the window cracked a little bit, and it was raining. And I was like, "Oh, it stopped." For maybe an hour, half an hour, started raining. It rained all night. I can't remember when. I know for sure, like 2017, we had some. 2014, maybe. Oh, spring of 2020, we were actually flooding. But it's been so long since we've had like an all-night rain. So I dumped this rain gauge last night when I got home. It had just started to rain, and we're at just over half an inch. And it's just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like, oh, this, oh my goodness. This is something else. I love it. So guess what? This morning I'm gonna go have a coffee with the guys in town. And it's supposed to rain all day today. Maybe even a little tomorrow, and now half inch on Friday. So we're not gonna be seeding until Saturday probably. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is this 40 acres of mustard. It's getting a little on the late side, but it's 40 acres. Who cares? Worst case, the peas do well and the mustard doesn't. I know 2 people that are growing mustard that can get seed from if need be. If we don't get seed this year. So, look at this, we got water sitting. I haven't seen water sitting here in, well, like, just water sitting period for a while. Oh, you poor wreck of a truck. Oh. Needs a new shift tube. Oh, it's just, poor thing. Let's see if it'll crank. Nope. All right. Oh, she lives. And the wipers need work because there's only high speed. There's no low speed or intermittent on this one. Oh well. I know some people right now that they're so wet that honestly they don't know what's gonna happen. So those guys don't want rain. But we're not at that point yet, so I'll take the rain. Anyways. Woo! Good day. Old Triton V10, and take this alternator off it. Put it on my 5.4. This alternator crapped out. And I think they're the same. Dad got this for the front end. Apparently the engine was ticking. I would love a V10 though. It'd be kind of nice. Engine was ticking. So he got it for like a song and slow dance or something like that. So I take the alternator off. I have a new alternator coming tomorrow, but I want to change this one today. Well, looks like I did it. Got the alternator out. Hopefully it works. Genuine Motorcraft. It's nice when you got parts trucks, you know? Like, there's a good motor core there. I don't know why it was ticking, but I'd love to have a V10 in my 5.4 because that thing's a pile when it comes to power, but pile of junk. Oh well, beggars can't be choosers, and like I said, parts trucks are good. Old, not working. Old, maybe working. Let's see. Oh yeah, sugar storage. Holy moly, look at that. It's charging! Tell the battery is slightly low because it's pretty high on the charge. Sweet! I love it when parts trucks come in handy. And it's still raining. I gotta be closing in on an inch now. Checking the fields out aerated here and Dad harrowed. There's a little bit on this south side of this field here by this gas road. It's pretty hard, you know, you drive with trucks all the time, and there's a little bit of water starting to pool, like right there, where it's really hard. But overall, I am absolutely floored by how well everything is soaking in compared to other fields. This tree that I should probably move out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh, we just kind of moved it out of the way ourselves. I better check and see how much what we wrecked. That's the problem when you don't got really good tires and there's ruts in the road. You want to go one way and it don't want you to go that one way, so it just takes you whatever way it wants you to go. I got a tree branch. Or not, mint. That's loose. Let me tighten that up. Oh, I should move this tree out of the way like I should have already done. Oh, it's raining actually. Oh, goodness sakes alive. Oh, that's a heavy duty tree. Whew. Oh, just such a beautiful rain. Water everywhere, roads running off. Take all these big branches out, they'll pop a tire. Woo, I love it. Oh, to check the heifers. They're wet. G2?
G8.
Oh, 8.
Get some glasses. Old age is catching up on you.
Come cows. Oh, they know new grass is coming. Wake up, girls. Hey, girls. Mainly heifers, a few pairs, cows. Hi, girls. Definitely ready to move. It is wet. How you guys like the new grass, huh? Hi, Cabby. Huh? Yeah? You like it? Yes, you do. Eat the trees too, remember? Cows are enjoying this crop field that hasn't been sprayed yet. Let's see how much the farm got for rain. Whoa, the pig pen water's all full. You guys got lots of water here, huh? Whoa, that's about 1, 2, 3, 3/10 inch and 3/10, huh? Look at all that. You guys love all this mud, huh? Yes, you do. Beautiful afternoon. It's almost 3 o'clock. Hasn't rained in a couple hours, but we are fairly damp. Doing some crop checking. Got peas, and we got horsetail here. This little patch. And here's our pea rows. I'm gonna do some digging. Oh, look at that. I feel where the aerator went. I hit a plug. It's so soft and mellow. And oh, so wet. Not damp, but just so moist.
Woo! Look at the pieces. This boy here, he's slow. He's coming. But these ones, look at that. And look at the earthworms. Well, you can't see the earthworms, but you can see they're moving a lot of soil. Because we got some subsoil. Where's that? Lighter looking stuff from below. Right there, like this. That's some lighter soil that the earthworms have brought up. And they're cycling carbon down, or carbon rich soil. Here's our peas. Look at the roots. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like it. When you have the same amount of roots as you do top above the shoots, you know you're doing good. That's a little deeper than 2 inches. That's close. I don't think I got any nodules yet. No. But look at that. Tastes good too. It's supposed to rain tomorrow now. And the Oilers play game 3 tonight. They're down 2-0. So like that rather sucks. But let's check and see how our EC is on this. Oh, also this is where we grazed last fall. So that might change what the EC is like. Or very good chance it will. 220. Okay. We're low. Or yeah, we want 250, I believe. $300. Okay, not too bad. Just check the wheat, and might have to start doing in crop on the wheat in a week or so. And then we got a little bit of thistles coming here. Everything's starting to grow again, so I have to try and keep on top of that this year. It's a good year. It is a freaking good year. Moisture, like fully recharged. Like we got lots. We can do without. If we had like 2 weeks of like 20-25 degrees, peas would be like, it wild, I tell you. So mellow, so beautifully mellow. I think that aerator did just a bomb job. Oh, earthworms! Hi-yo. Feel all the roots breaking. Poor little peas. Look at that. Nice. Nice. I love it. Such a good start to the year. Now if we can keep on top of the spraying, the weed control, might have to hit this with a shot of Bazagran early on, maybe. Smoke these tertials. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful right now. It is like no wind. Like it is so calm. Smells so nice. Like that rain, that 1.5 inches we had, stopped this morning or last night. You can hear the frogs down there, birds flying there in the trees, sun in the distance. Oilers sucked tonight. Well, actually, no, sorry. They lost. They did not suck. They played their hearts out for the last 2 periods. Third period, well, third. But Florida is just such a good team. But look at that. Oats, peas, silage mix. It's just so deadly. It's just so beautiful. Like, I'm not even going to play music. It's just you listen to the bugs and the birds and the bees. The birds and the bees. Look at that. There's our corn. It's a little yellowish. Probably needs to be sprayed with some juice. Not bugs eating it. But overall, some more. Corn definitely slow this year. Holy. But really, up until like 2 weeks ago, the ground was still cold. Like, it's been just kind of unseasonably, or not unseasonably, but out of the ordinary for the last few years, how cool it's been. So, ooh, it'll come. Might have to spray the corn here because we got buckwheat and lots of stuff. Buckwheat, hemp nettle, other miscellaneous broadleaf weeds. But the corn is growing. I like it.